Hey, what's up guys? Black Sheep here, and check it out. It's the brand new 1617 O-Pee-Chee. Got a box of this. MVP came out a couple weeks ago, and I was a little bit late to the party on that, and a little bit late to the party here with 1617 O-Pee-Chee as well. But I'm glad to finally get it in. This particular box I got from DA Card World, and so it came in the mail. So let's go ahead and check out this brand new product. O-Pee-Chee is always one of the biggest card sets, if not the biggest card set of the entire year. And I always love how they have sort of a retro feel to them. Here is what the pack looks like. There we go, focus on that. And I don't know what we're going to get in this. I'm not going to look at the odds yet, but as I open the box, I love the cardboard back. That is cool. Love the cardboard backs. And here's the front. Very basic design. And in this one, it looks like we have, this looks like the retro card for this year. Matt Cullen of the Penguins. Cool looking team checklist. The Hurricanes. And that is it. Alright, so let's keep going. I do not think hits are guaranteed in these things, but we do have more retro, Jakob Kindle, and Ryan Sutter. Really nice looking foil card. The O-Pee-Chee foil cards they're pretty good looking cards. They've got that rainbow shimmer to them. Actually, the back is kind of neat. The back, the gold part on the back is sort of shiny. It's like a little touch of niceness there. Shea Weber All-Star Retro, and an OV League Leader card. So very retro-styled League Leader card. Back when I used to get baseball cards, I used to get League Leaders and things that really showed off stats a lot. That's not what you see nowadays, I guess. Zdeno Chara. And a marquee rookie, Mark McNeil. Okay, almost missed that guy, because it's just the side. Sometimes the marquee rookies have, at least they had a much different design. But in this case, not so much. They look really similar, except for that little side part. Alright, P.A. Parento. Retro and a Pecorine NHL All-Star base card. We're getting a lot of packs per box. There's actually 32 packs per box. So if you like opening packs, this is the product for you. Tyson Barrie, Cody Franson is the shiny. And then I'm going to end up with a ton of base cards. So I guess people who collect O-Pee-Chee, if you're a retro collector, you're going to like this set a lot. If you like building big sets, this is also going to be the set for you. Justin Falk. And Patrick Kane, season highlight. I really do think this set is built like what they used to be like way back in the day. And it's actually a pretty cool idea. I feel like it's like if O-Pee-Chee or Topps kept making cards just like they used to, these might actually be the way they are. Okay, we got a Luke Shen and a playing card. I wonder if you can actually use this as a playing card. Mark Scheifele. Kind of a cool insert. Playing card insert. Now, I know they had playing card inserts before, so it's not like super new. The old checklist. Nice. Connor McDavid. Second year card, so I guess not as cool. And checklist. Checklists are actually pretty cool looking. I love how they have the whole team on there in sort of a unique view. Looks like we have a black Sergei Kalinin of the Devils and Dmitry Orlov black. These should be numbered. Yep, 53 of just 100. Let's see. There we go. 53 of 100 for the black version of the foil, the rainbow cards. Josh Morrissey. This is a rookie card retro. And a bunch of base. Looks like we have another playing card, Vladimir Tarasenko, the Jack of Clubs. Oh, just in case Mark Scheifele was a 4. Oh, here we go. O-Pee-Chee Signatures card, Nick Foligno. So, I don't know if, every time I pull one of these types of cards, I doubt myself if they're 1 per box. But I think these are, at least in the past, these were a little bit harder to get. So I'm going to check the odds at the end. And actually, why don't I check the odds now? Let's see. O-Pee-Chee Signatures 1 in 192. And I'm also looking at the odds. Those playing cards, they have different rarities. Like the kings and stuff are not the Layla Kings, but the king cards are actually more difficult to get. Sam Bennett and Bobby Orr, small card. Braden Holtby. This would be really. I'm kind of blazing through this, but this would be a nice set to just kind of sit down and go through. J.C. Lippin. This pack is kind of stuck. Here we go. Oop, another black. Let's see what we get. Got Jake McCabe. And a team checklist of the Calgary Flames. Actually really liking the look of those team checklists, like I said. And the black foil and the foil, also really, really nice. Alright, team checklist retro this time. So far I got a bunch of inserts, got that autograph, David Perron, a lot of these retro cards. And of course the autograph. It looks like we have something shiny in this particular pack. Chris Russell, retro, and then J.C. Lippin. This guy's following me. I wonder if he's going to follow me all season. Marquee rookie. Certain guys just tend to follow me around all the time. I wonder if that happens with you guys. Ryan Reeves and the marquee rookie of Frederick Gauthier, or Gauthier. Jakob Markstrom, and then Oliver Ekman-Larsson, little square card. Darren Dietz, rookie card, and Justin Bailey, regular rookie card. So I had the retro rookie and the regular marquee rookie. Oops, Sharks card, nice, Matt Reed, and nice Brent Burns playing card. Pretty sweet. Cody Ceci, retro, and Kasperi Kapanen, marquee rookie. Mika Zibanejad, Josh Bailey. Benoit Pouliot. Charlie Lindgren is the marquee rookie. Alright, really coming down to it. not a whole lot of packs left to go here. Les Immortels, All-Timers, Chris Chelio, sorry for that. Matt Stajan, and another Ovi. There we go. Terrible job opening this pack. Charlie Coyle. Okay, Brad Richardson. Foil, a lot of foil cards. Tyreti. And base. I think we have like 3 packs left. Ooh, nice. Team checklist. Your San Jose Sharks. Taves. Ooh, another card. Or actually, Kerry Ramo. And who's this? Mats Zuccarello. Playing card. 3 of Hearts. I like those playing cards. That'd be a really fun set to put together. Although I think that set would be pretty challenging if you're looking at the odds. Okay, last pack. Here we go. Alexi MLN. And Braden McNabb. And base. There you have it. A box of O-Pee-Chee. Here's the damage. All of these wrappers all over the place. Plus a huge stack of base. My one hit was this Nick Foligno autograph card. Actually looks pretty nice. Check out the review down below. Leave a comment. You can win some cards from this break. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.